dashing through the snow in a one horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it's to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it's to ride in a one horse open sleigh.
ഇനി നമുക്ക് ചപ്പാത്തി ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. ആദ്യം കുറച്ച് ചപ്പാത്തി മാവ് എടുക്കുക, കുറച്ച് വെള്ളം ഒഴിക്കുക, എന്നിട്ട് കുഴയ്ക്കുക. അങ്ങനെ അവസാനം ചപ്പാത്തി മാവ് ഉണ്ടാവും. അത് വെച്ച് നമുക്ക് ചപ്പാത്തി ഉണ്ടാക്കാം.
Hi all. So here I'm there to tell you about real Santa. So first of all, I thank my secret Santa for giving me this opportunity. So because of that only I got to know about the real Santa. So here it starts. Yes, there was a real Santa, and his real name was uh, Saint Nicholas, and he lived in North Pole along with his wife, Mrs. Claus. And Santa Claus, if you see, like he loves to give gifts to childrens, and he also has a habit of helping the poor and needy. He was rich, so he also had the habit of helping the poor people. And what he used to do was at like he used to drop coins in the shoes of the poor children. So this was the habit that he had. And also, like at a very young age, he joined church, and he was working there, and there he paid attention to the children's only most. And at a very young age, uh, Santa Claus, he became the bishop of the church. And one day when he was traveling alongside of the village, he saw a man with three girls. So they were nothing but a father and his three daughters. So what the issue was, the father has uh, planned to send his three girls, like his three daughters, to some unwanted place. And he thought using that he'll get some money, and using that money he thought he will get his daughters married. So as a dowry he can use that money, he thought. On knowing this, what Nicholas did was, he thought he will help them. So one night he just climbed on the rooftop of the girl's house, and inside the chimney he dropped three bags which was full of gold coins. And the next morning when the girls opened that bag, they were surprised, and they felt very happy on seeing that. So it was a magic, right? So obviously it started, the rumor started. So from for like village to village, the news started spreading. So what the children thought of believing was, when if we leave our shoes outside, then definitely Santa will give us a gift. So this practice started, and also and they also started to have cookies and milk, all those things with the shoes. So like when Santa comes, he will give a gift, and for in return they will give him this milk and the cookies. So this was a uh, s- like this was a story that I read so far, and it was good to know uh, like about Santa Claus. So this is my small story. So thank you for this.
ఒకే ఒక లోకం నువ్వే, లోకంలోన అందం నువ్వే, అందానికే హృదయం నువ్వే, నువ్వే అందావే. ఎకాయకి కోపం నువ్వే, కోపంలోన దీపం నువ్వే, దీపం లేని వెలుతురు నువ్వే ప్రాణాలిలా వెలిగించావే. నిన్ను నన్నుగా ప్రేమించనా, నిన్నుగా అందించనా, అన్ని వేళలా తోడుండనా, జన్మ జన్మల జంటవ్వనా. ఒక లోకం నువ్వే, లోకంలోన అందం నువ్వే, అందానికే హృదయం నువ్వే, నీకే అందావే. ఎగాయకి కోపం నువ్వే, కోపంలోన దీపం నువ్వే, దీపం లేని వెలుతురు నువ్వే ప్రాణాల్ని వెలిగించావే. నిన్నుగా ప్రేమించనా, నిన్నుగా అందించనా, అన్ని వేళలా తోడుండనా, జన్మ జన్మల జంటవ్వనా.
I really don't know what to say because this is my first time I have participated in Secret Santa game. So yeah, okay. I love watching Marvel content. Then yeah, first thing, thanks to Infosys for giving me this team. It's crazy. Then I like cooking. Inshallah, one day we'll try. Inshallah, one day we'll try to make biryani for you all. Then I don't know if there's an option for a team excursion in Infosys, but if it's there, would love to go on a trip with you all. Then yeah, that's it. Merry Christmas in advance to all. Hope to see everyone soon. Yeah, love you 3000. Cheers.
ചന്ദ്രനെ തോൽപ്പിക്കാനാവില്ല മക്കളെ.
Kimi wa boku no tabi, boku no mokuti kichwi, boku no sasai kiwi nasi di, wa ikuru no wa mojukasi.
मेरे सा नज्म नज्म तू जा ठहर पे होठों पे, तेरी सा ख्वाब ख्वाब में रे जागो मैं आँखों, मेरे सा इश्क इश्क तू जा बस आँखों में रू, शहनाई तेरी और जिस रे भागू मैं उस ओर.
Hi Santa. So to tell about my favorite teacher in school, yeah, I had two teachers. Both was my English staffs. One person name is Lavanya, and another person is Lakshmi. So I like them both. Lavanya ma'am, in the sense like she looks very cute, and her teaching also will be very good. I don't know, like at first time, like when she came to class and when she was like so jolly type, so I don't know, suddenly I started liking her, so and she became my favorite teacher. And another person was Lakshmi ma'am, and she became my English staff at 10th standard. She will be also like she's also very jolly person, and like we used to go to her home. Like a group of students will be there, both boys and girls, so we used to go there, and we used to play at her home. And also like at study time we'll study, and at play time we'll be playing. So it was very good when we had both of them as our English staffs. So nothing to tell more about it. And even now, no, even now, like if any help, if I call them, definitely they'll be there for me to help. So I like they have given me that support. So they are my most favorite. That's it.
Super.
Adi Balasubramaniam.
Bala.
बाला सुब्रमण्यम। जल्दी बोलो।
बालासुब्रमण्यम। बाला 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 कहाँ है?
शुभम।
तुम
शुभम।
बम
भव्या।
लल्ला
हाँ,
माँ
रश्मि बोलो तो रश्मि।
लड़नी
मेरे सा नज्म नज्म तू जा ठहर पे होठों पे तेरी सा ख्वाब ख्वाब में रह जागो मैं आँखों मेरे सा इश्क इश्क तू जा बस आँखों में रू शहनाई तेरी और जिस रे भागू मैं उस ओर My honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umpy umpkin, you're my sweetie pie, you're my cupcake, gumdrops, snuggum puggums, apple of the eye.
Hello, good morning to all. I am Shabarishwi and I'm going to talk about today's headlines. First, we'll start with international news. Strong quake hits Northern California. SpaceX headquarters hit by COVID-19 outbreak with 132 infected. Facebook pays fines to Russia over banned content. Coming to India's news, India has at least 200 cases of the new Omicron variant till now, the health minister said on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the Karnataka government on Tuesday said that no parties or mass gatherings would be permitted in the state from December 30th to January 2nd, keeping in view the COVID-19. And at last, we have sports news. Asian Champions Trophy 2021 semi-final. India lost 3-5 to Japan. South Africa pacer Anrich Nortje ruled out of India tests. Thank you.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha.
Road roller, load roller, upper roller, lower roller. Road roller, load roller, upper roller, lower roller. Road roller, load roller, upper roller, lower lower. Road roller, load roller, upper roller, lower lower. Road roller, load roller, upper roller, lower lower.